Welcome to another episode of Off Brand. This is episode 5. And what does Christmas and this episode of Off Brand have in common? That's right. Milk and cookies. Specifically cookies. And also, it feels like it's Christmas because we've been quarantined for forever. So, this episode, we are doing Oreos. And this idea came from my friend Haley. And she said that we should do Oreos. And I decided, okay, we will do that. That's easy. And so, because Oreo has its name written on the cookies, we have to do a blind taste test for this one. And because it's going to be blind, and I have equipment around me, and we have liquids, we are doing them one at a time. This week I brought Chelsea back because nobody else lives in this house with me.
Quarantine buddy.
Yeah, quarantine buddy. But you also won the golden milk bottle last week.
I did.
You were the first person to win the golden
I could win it again today.
How'd you feel about winning it?
I didn't get my milkshake yet.
There's no milkshake. It's just a milk bottle.
Nah.
It's just a golden milk bottle.
I love it. I sleep beside it every single night.
It's weird. So what's your confidence level today for Oreos?
Well, I haven't eaten Giant Eagle before or Aldi brand yet. So I am like a 20% confidence, but I don't know. I think I could tell the difference. Not as good, not as confident as last week because I know my catch-ups.
I think that I'm going to be able to find it. There is a texture thing that I think I can find with Oreos that I think the other two won't have. I've never had Giant Eagle.
Oh.
I've never had the Giant Eagle off-brand Oreos. I have had the Aldi brand, which are Benton's. I know the Benton's brand because I shop at Aldi. And Oreos, I don't like Oreos because after you eat them, you're just left with all this black gunk in your teeth.
That's what the other ones are.
No, Oreo is like, it just leaves like this granular layer of cookie on your face and in your mouth. Yeah, so I don't think there's anything different we're doing this week besides we are going one at a time. So, but we will lock our answers in, and then the next person will go, and then we'll reveal them all at the same time. Do you have any questions?
No.
Nothing?
No. Who's going first?
So you're going to be the one who does the tasting first.
Okay.
So let's start your round of off-brand with the Oreos and off-brand Oreos. So again, I set up her Oreo cookie thing, and she set up my Oreo cookie thing. So neither of us know which ours is. Can you see?
No. I made sure, since I like to cheat, it was dark.
Can you see?
No.
How many fingers am I holding up?
3.
How about now?
1.
Wow, you got that one though. But I believe you. Okay, so I'm gonna reveal your cookies.
You know, I could just like take a nap right now. It is my afternoon nap time.
Okay, so your cookies are now revealed and they are in front of you.
Where
do you need guidance to them? I can just bring them to you as well.
Yeah.
What do you want?
No.
What do you want to start with?
Where's my cookies?
They're ahead. You gotta keep reaching. That's your There you go. That's number 3.
Yeah, maybe we'll bring like
you
1,
want
2,
2?
3.
Well, no, you'll have to reach for them.
I don't like that.
Because the graphics are gonna be right there. We don't want to mess up the graphics.
Okay.
That's my
Can
favorite thing.
Can I feel it?
No, you just have to eat it.
Where's my milk?
Right here.
You know how clumsy I am.
I do. That's why I'm nervous. I'm gonna grab the off-brand.
It tastes like Oreo.
I'm gonna clue you in on something, Chelsea. They're all gonna taste like Oreo.
No, there's only one Oreo in life. Okay,
right,
second one.
Second one?
Can I just like leave this cookie here?
Yeah.
Could keep the other one up there for right now?
Yeah, we can do that. I'll bring you your second one as well. There's number 2. Do you have any, are you thinking anything right now? Do you have a guess for the first one? Any guess?
That doesn't taste like Oreo. Ew. I don't like that one. Oh, that's like a weird bad. Ugh. That's not Oreo.
Okay, you're not thinking that one's Oreo.
I don't even know. That just tastes fake.
Okay. And then I got your number.
Oh, where's my milk?
Here.
I need like a cleanse.
Milk's right here.
I need a cleanse because that was disgusting. Sorry, whoever brand that was.
So what are your thoughts right now on the? So you've tried number 3 and 2.
One is Oreo.
That's number 3 that you've.
This one?
You think that one's Oreo right now?
This one right here is 3.
Yeah.
Oh, you just screwed me up. Number 3 is Oreo.
You're thinking 3 is
Number
Oreo.
2 is disgusting.
Okay. That's not an option at the moment. What do you think 1 is?
Oh, number 2 was such a bad taste.
You can go back and forth to...
I don't want to go back to number 2.
You can count number 2 out. That's fine. It's okay.
I don't even know.
That's number 2.
I've never had Aldi before, or Giant Eagle's off-brand cookies. So this is going to be a guess for that.
So now
wait,
you've locked in...
Let me see water, too. I need to cleanse my palate.
That's milk. Okay.
Let me see water.
Right here.
Because I don't want the cream.
Gosh, you're a dangerous person to be blindfolded at the moment.
I'm thinking number 2 is disgusting.
Okay, number 2, we got that already, but we need to establish what you think 3 and 1 are.
Okay,
you're thinking 3 is Oreo. You've already put that one down.
Okay, I'm gonna taste the icing because
the icing is key. That is actually a really good tell.
Did I even get icing on this?
Yeah, there's icing there. You got it. But like that's not the part.
Number 1's Oreo.
Number 1. Mm-hmm. The one you're eating.
It has like a.
The one you're currently eating?
Number 3.
That's 3. Okay.
Why don't you just mix it up for me? Number 3 is Oreo.
Number 3. Okay, I have that down.
Water.
That's milk. Oh God.
Why would you put it beside your microphone? I like fall down the stairs or walk.
Because otherwise, it's either you get it on the table or you smash the glass on the ground. So the only thing you've locked in so far is Oreo.
Okay, I'm gonna say this one.
Number 2.
Number 2 is Giant Eagle.
2 is Giant Eagle.
Because Aldi matches their brands pretty closely to like how we did ketchup last week. Mm. They did a very good job matching it.
You think number 1 is Aldi, number 2 is Giant Eagle, number 3 is Oreo.
Yeah. That's wrong.
That's wrong. Are you locking that in?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're gonna lock you in. Keep blindfolded for a second. Chelsea, we are locking your answers in. You have decided number 3 is Oreo, number 2 is Giant Eagle, and number 1 is Aldi.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna blindfold myself. I'm gonna go in and do my cookies, and then once we lock it in, we'll figure out exactly who picked the cookies correctly.
I don't see a mess.
I cleaned it up, huh? Are they in the order of 1, 2, 3?
Yes.
Right there. 1?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm curious to see if our thoughts are the same.
I'm gonna go with cookie first.
What do you feel about that one? Does it taste good? Does it taste like poop?
It has a strong Oreo feel.
Does it? Mm-hmm. So what do you think that is? Oreo?
Right now Oreo, but also these are all Oreo like cookies. Oh wait, this might be Oreo.
You're not supposed to feel it.
No, there's no way this is Oreo.
No?
Too crunchy. I also don't like Oreos.
This is a bad game for you.
Yeah. Oh, shoot. No, I don't think that one's Oreo. Okay, this one, though. Okay. This one, number 2.
Number 2.
I'm thinking Giant Eagle.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I'm feeling Aldi on number 1 now.
Aldi number 1?
Yeah. So, here's a key problem. Where's the milk at?
Bam, all over your pants.
So there's a key problem here. Oreos have 2 distinct characteristics. One is the wafer cookie that is usually not flaky but dusty and falls apart pretty easily and crumbles. And then there's the cream inside of it, which it's creamy and rich, but it doesn't stick. It doesn't just fall off. Like as you lick it, it kind of trails behind it. And that's what I'm getting from this one, is that when I'm licking it, and it breaks apart easy too. That's another thing, that it breaks apart so easy. Okay, 3 is an Oreo.
3 is Oreo.
3's got to be an Oreo. This is number 1 right here. Now Giant Eagle and Aldi, the cookie is going to be worse.
That's the one that you're saying is Giant Eagle.
No, now I might think it's Aldi.
Think it's Aldi? It's hard to taste the difference because I don't usually buy Aldi or Giant Eagle brand Oreos because I know I like the taste of Oreos because Oreos has Pop Rocks in it right now that I'm obsessed with.
Ew.
They have.
I haven't even eaten one of those yet.
Oh, it's so good.
Which is a little bit of a disadvantage. You've at least had an Oreo in your mouth.
But no, they've had Pop Rocks.
Can I have a fresh 1 and 2? 3 is Oreo.
I'm
locking 3.
This is 1.
Okay, number 1.
And this is 2.
And that's 2. Okay. put that containers back up there.
Yep. There's an empty one.
This is 2. Okay.
And that's an empty one.
Oh, man.
So that, you're eating 1. You're saying 1 could be Aldi.
Right now I am.
Is this between Giant Eagle and Aldi?
That broke apart so much. I gotta double check this one now.
Here's the one with the icing right here.
Just give me the fresh one.
Let's give you a
I'm
fresh.
taking a fresh bite. My whole guesses might change right here. Just dump it in my hand. Nice. All right, yeah. Oreo for sure.
Okay. So number 3 is Oreo.
Even if
for
I'm
sure.
wrong, that is my new preference. Like, I would pick that over an Oreo, even though I don't like Oreos. My teeth are so chocolatey.
No, they're actually not.
No. And that, so Oreos 3, lock it in.
Okay.
I'm remembering like going to the Southside Aldi and picking up a Benton's package of cookies and then going home to my apartment and eating them. And I'm remembering that that's how it felt when it was crumbling in my mouth. No word. This one. That is Giant Eagle for sure.
Which one? Number 1?
It has to be. Yeah, flip those 2. 2 is Aldi, 1 is Giant Eagle. And honestly, I don't even care if
2 is so I have.
1 is so dry. You're right. That one sucks. If that is Giant Eagle, shame on you, Giant Eagle. Shame on you.
They want to make sure.
Yeah, it's bench it. Yeah, I got it. I'm done. I locked it in.
Okay.
Sorry, go
so
ahead.
1 is Giant Eagle, 2 is Aldi, and 3 is Oreo.
Yes.
Okay. So wait, stop. Don't look.
But take my cookies away.
Don't look.
What were you gonna say about Giant Eagle?
Oh, I forgot.
Also, like milk tastes really bad. Ooh, it's bright.
I know. It's like, oh my
weird.
god, it's daylight.
Okay. Wow. That was actually weird. I don't think I've ever done a blind taste test.
After this, how confident do you feel?
So going in order of the episodes that I've been in, my confidence has gone down significantly for every single episode because I've learned that I don't have a good palate. Yeah, I don't have a good taste palate.
You don't have a good smell palate to begin with.
I don't.
You have to have like a good taste and smell. Like my smell is great. I feel, in my perspective, that I got more confident.
In this one?
Yes.
Then compared to the last one? Compared to ketchup?
No, just in general. Like I keep on going. I'm just like, maybe I'm not gonna do well. And then I like eat the cookies, and I'm like, no, I think I could tell the difference. And I'm not gonna be too cocky yet until after I see my results. But like, if I win this one, like, good luck to anyone who's going against me.
That was cocky.
I'm just saying, in general.
Yeah, just so
I don't
you
know the results.
You're definitely cocky right there. For me, I'm not confident that I'm right. I'm certain in discerning the quality of each cookie. So like, if for some reason number 1 is Oreo, then I hate Oreo because it sucks. Like for sure. Like I think this just gave me a true, binary opinion of all of these cookies.
Well,
for
number
sure.
2 tastes like poo, and I knew that was not Oreo because I know my Oreos, and I don't think that's.
Okay, so let's pull it up and see what.
Okay, so let's do one.
Okay, so my answers are written in blue. My correct answers, and Chelsea's correct answers are written in pink.
Yes.
So we are gonna go with number 1.
See if I got this right.
For me, the first answer was Aldi, and I picked Giant Eagle. So
you think Aldi tastes like poo?
Yeah, I don't. Benton's, I guess I don't like.
I get a box of Aldi by myself, and I eat it, and I think it's the best thing ever.
I absolutely.
You just did this like long story in the middle about like how great it is.
I know, and I was wrong.
You are.
And I get that. And that sucks.
It's kind of funny that we both picked Aldi for number 1 though.
Yeah.
Like without knowing it.
Mm-hmm. So number 2, I said was Aldi. She said it was Giant Eagle. Mine was Oreo.
Yeah.
And hers was Giant Eagle.
Yeah, you
so
kept
she got
on
it
saying...
correct, and I also got it wrong.
I
I don't even know what that means.
I
for
won.
Me. I don't even know how to interpret that I got it right or wrong.
You really you hated number 2 automatically.
There you go.
Like, I hate Oreos.
Perfect. I at least like in my gut I hate Oreos.
Yeah.
But I just thought it was Giant Eagle because I thought Giant Eagle like messed up.
No,
so
but
Nabisco is the one who messed up.
No, number 2.
No.
That tasted like processed, stale food. I'm sorry, Giant Eagle. I usually like your food, but like you need to up your game.
So then Giant Eagle is what I thought number 3 was, which was in fact, or Oreo was number 3 for me, and Oreo was number 3 for you. So yet again, Chelsea aces off-brand.
And I honestly thought you shouldn't do this one because I didn't think I would win. I wanted you to do a different one. I'm not gonna say which one, just in case we do it next, or like in 3 months or 4 months. But like, I really didn't think I was gonna win. But like after this one, my cockiness level goes up a little higher.
God, her cockiness level is up.
This is 2 milkshakes now, guys.
So now she has it's a golden milk bottle. It's not a milkshake.
Milk makes milkshakes.
You have again won. You have retained your milk bottle. And you are now the
champion.
Retain you are the reigning champion, and you have a streak of 2 wins.
It's like next one, you should do like WWE and give me a belt.
No,
and WWE
this is
off-brand belt.
Chelsea,
this is the belt. You should put this on a belt. Like you should give me a belt with like how many milk jugs I win. I bet you any money I can get like 3 or 4 belts. Like
somebody please come and challenge her and take her away
quarantine,
from her,
so it's just gonna be you and me for the next like 3 months.
Yeah, the next 12 episodes are gonna be us.
So in the 12th episode, Dan and I will be done with our relationship.
Yeah.
Because I will become so great at my taste buds that like you would get too jealous, and then you just walk out. That and my cockiness, you'd probably be sick of.
Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. We had a lot of fun with this one, and thank you, Haley, for giving us the idea for Oreos.
Yes, thank you, Haley, for giving Dan the great idea for me to win again.
And we look forward to doing other suggestions that people leave. Please leave them in the comments below. Text me, Instagram me, email me, however you want to tell me. Just tell me. Give me the idea. I'll go out and get it. Because these episodes are actually pretty simple to set up. Mm-hmm. So if you liked this video, like it. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button, and then also hit the bell. Also hit the bell, which is actually over there by the actual subscribe button not in the player.
Subscribe here?
No, subscribe will be right here. But you can't push it to subscribe. There's a subscribe.
I grab it.
There's a subscribe button down there that they can actually click.
What if I smush the button?
It's under the video. No, it's under. It's way down there.
Like down here? Wait, I can see the button. I can see it.
And then hit the bell next to that button so that you get notified when a new episode comes out. And please stay at home. Just stay at home. If you're sick, stay at home. Wear a mask. If you are showing any symptoms, go get tested so that you know that you should stay home. And please just start staying home so that other people can come on the show, because Chelsea is going to drive me nuts if she keeps winning.
Me or your dogs.
Subscribe.
Your dogs or me.